A storyteller, moments to capture. Yoga heals me, I rejuvenate in nature, forever a lifelong learner and traveler. Nevertheless, is this enough? Wait. I believe and practice to create, to share, from the love to care, to the mission of the love, health, travel, wisdom, and connecting with you all to discover, to learn together. Would you like to join me in this journey of exploration? I heart in you to thrive and tender you all with healthiness and happiness. Welcome to the Explorer Anjali channel, where we will travel, learn, meet, reinvigorate, and experience ever.